kids! Today we're learning about amazing wild animals, strong, fast, and full of surprises. Lion.
Yay!
Lions are called the kings of the jungle, with golden manes and powerful roars. Can you roar like a big, brave lion?
Tiger.
Yay!
Tigers have orange fur with black stripes and are excellent hunters. Can you sneak quietly like a tiger on the prowl?
Elephant.
Yay!
Elephants are the largest land animals, with long trunks and big floppy ears. Can you swing your arm like a long elephant trunk?
Bear.
Yay!
Bears are strong animals that love honey and can stand tall on two legs. Can you growl like a big, cuddly bear?
Giraffe.
Yay!
Giraffes have very long necks to reach tasty leaves on tall trees. Stretch your neck high like a giraffe reaching for the leaves.
Zebra.
Yay!
Zebras have black and white stripes that make them look so unique. Can you gallop like a zebra running in the grass?
Monkey.
Yay!
Monkeys are playful animals that swing and jump from tree to tree. Can you scratch your head and chatter like a monkey?
Deer.
Yay!
Deer are gentle animals with antlers, and they run very fast. Can you leap gracefully like a deer?
Leopard.
Yay!
Leopards are spotted cats that climb trees and move silently. Tiptoe like a leopard sneaking through the jungle.
Cheetah.
Yay!
Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, running super quick to catch prey. Can you run as fast as a cheetah?
Panda.
Yay!
Pandas are black and white bears that love munching on bamboo. Pretend to chew bamboo like a happy panda.
Crocodile.
Yay!
Crocodiles live in rivers and swamps, with strong jaws and sharp teeth. Snap your arms wide like a crocodile's mouth.
Hippo.
Yay!
Hippos are huge animals that spend most of their time in water. Can you open your mouth wide like a hippo yawning?
Rhinoceros.
Yay!
Rhinos have thick skin and a big horn on their noses. Point your finger like a rhino's horn.
Fox.
Yay!
Foxes are clever animals with bushy tails and sharp ears. Can you be sneaky like a clever little fox?
Wolf.
Yay!
Wolves live in packs and howl loudly to talk to each other. Howl like a wolf under the moon. Ow!
Kangaroo.
Yay!
Kangaroos from Australia hop on strong legs and carry babies in pouches. Jump, jump, jump like a kangaroo.
Koala.
Yay!
Koalas are fluffy animals that sleep in eucalyptus trees. Can you curl up like a sleepy koala?
Gorilla.
Yay!
Gorillas are strong apes that beat their chests to show power. Thump your chest like a gorilla.
Camel.
Yay!
Camels live in deserts and can store water in their humps. Can you walk slowly like a camel in the sand?
Chimpanzee.
Yay!
Chimps are smart apes that use tools and live in groups. Clap your hands like a cheerful chimpanzee.
Sloth.
Yay!
Sloths move very slowly and spend most of their lives hanging on trees. Move your arms slowly like a sloth.
Yak.
Yay!
Yaks are hairy animals found in cold mountains, used for carrying loads. Shake your head like a shaggy yak.
Antelope.
Yay!
Antelopes are fast runners with long curved horns. Can you dash quickly like an antelope?
Hyena.
Yay!
Hyenas are scavengers with a spooky laugh. Can you laugh like a funny hyena?
Bison.
Yay!
Bison are giant wild cattle with big heads and shaggy fur. Stomp your feet like a mighty bison.
Jackal.
Yay!
Jackals are wild dogs that hunt in pairs and are very clever. Can you sniff around like a curious jackal?
Raccoon.
Yay!
Raccoons are night animals with masked faces and clever hands. Pretend to wash food like a raccoon.
Squirrel.
Yay!
Squirrels are small, quick animals that collect nuts. Wiggle your fingers like a squirrel holding a nut.
Wild boar.
Yay!
Wild boars are strong pigs with sharp tusks that live in forests. Can you snort like a wild boar?
We met so many wild animals today, big, small, fast, and clever. Keep exploring, keep learning, and join us again for more fun kids learning videos.